How was your last session? That was the first
Last
session as
session,
well.
last session was great. I think it was a big eye opener. Now I'm starting to see trends within the ad accounts. I start to see trends. And I'm like, okay, that's why this is not working. So I'm more comfortable, more confident within the ad account, which for me as a business owner, media buyer, it's important. It helps. It helps with delivery. It helps with performance, with confidence. Overall, it helps. So. Um, I think session one was a great eye opener for me. I really needed it, and I can only wait to see what this session is gonna bring.
That was just a beginning. That was just a beginning. That's the reason I told you why we are getting a cost per lead of 15 to $20 in this roofing industry. Why? That's the reason. Because at the end of the day, I always make sure that how you are reaching out to the right prospect. That's the biggest thing. Three things that works in this industry that you need to make sure. First of all, to whom you are going to reach out. That will be your audience segmentation, which we did in the first session. That was an eye opener for you. Second thing over here is how you are going to present that offer. That will done with the help of your creatives and ad
Mm,
copies. Correct, buddy? Third
correct.
thing, third thing over here is, let's say people are responding on the offer. The moment they click on that particular ad, and you have been noticing that you are getting massive CTR in terms of 3%, 2.5%, which we are actively been getting for our roofing clients. Okay, okay. And the next step is your lender. Your lender. When people gonna come on the lender, what they are seeing, the thing they saw over there on the ad, whether that offer is sinking right now or not. They saw $0 down roofing, 0% interest, no charges on prepayment, and $1,000 cashback on installation. What you mentioned on the ad and in the ad copy as well, that's the reason people click on the ad. Now they came on the lender, they want to see whether that offer is sinking or not. Okay, that's the biggest thing, to make sure that offer is aligning and syncing. Second thing over here is that your lender should act as a virtual salesman. On today's call, we are going to talk about how your lender should look like. I'm about to
Yes.
share with you 3 to 4 lenders with their thank you pages as well. That I don't have much budget for building that costly funnel, I should be using this funnel then.
Gotcha.
If client says that yes, I have budget, boom, then he will gonna go ahead with this particular funnel. Make sense, buddy? So this is
Yes.
what I'm about to share with you on this call, so you get a better understanding. And on top of it, we are going to talk about the ad copy style as well, which I was personally thinking to cover on the next session, but right now you are at that stage, so that need to be done today. So on
And
today's
so
call,
by next call, I'll have the ad account updated. I will have the landing page updated
hmm,
and the copy.
copies, okay? And on the next
I
call,
got you.
we are going to cover your creatives. What kind of creatives you should be making, what kind of style it should be, why you should be using image, why you should be using GIF, why you should be using video, and how you are going to present your offer. So as stated that we are about to share with you certain kind of references, so you get a better understanding. And on each parameter, why you should use long copy style, why you should be using, you can say, multiple service angle. Multiple service angle, I mean roofing installation, roofing shingles, roofing installation, roofing repairs. So you should be knowing with the lead that you are going to get, what is it, multi-step funnel, whether you should be using two-step funnel or whether it should be three-page funnel, what's the logic behind that, or whether I should be using the type form funnel. Okay, buddy. So the first lender which we are going to cover, that's one of our client as well, which we are actively been scaling. Okay.
Good.
So this is what I stated. That's a long copy style, which you can see over there. The moment someone come on the lender after watching the ad, first of all, you
Okay.
can see how crystal clear it is. And what's your
Is this on high level?
go high level?
Okay.
Okay. So the thing over here is which I am going to cover on this particular stuff. how we have made that lender. Okay, the offer that they saw over there, same thing. Get a brand new roof with $0 down without overpaying. Okay,
That's
this is
actually
JAV
beautiful.
certified.
That's beautiful.
JAV certified. Second thing, hero factor, that we are licensed and insured, guys. Third thing,
Yeah.
if we are going to work for you, you will get 25 years of warranty. And now we are going to talk about the roofing ad copies, which we mentioned on different temperatures, which you can see. Okay,
Okay.
few will be slightly long, few will be slightly short, but majority of them, 95% of them, will be totally customer centric, what they have been looking for. Okay, and we are
Mm.
going to trigger them on every single ads temperature. Why I have mentioned this thing? Because the same copies we are going to use for our retargeting as well. Few of them we are going to use for the prospecting. If they are still not converted yet, they want more reason to be converted. So what kind of pushes you are going to do that? This is what we want to see in these ad copies. The first ad copy is desired based ad copy. Can you see?
Yeah. Yeah. Uh,
This is how you have been doing. 4.8 rated by 183 homeowners. Remember that FT Florida client, the one I
yeah.
showed you, and you said that Gaurav Lander is looking very good. $0
Yeah.
down. See how everything is crystal clear. Why I mentioned this thing. JAV certified contractor, 1 day install. See if you qualify.
Mm.
Another one, get a storm ready roof without paying a dollar upfront. GAF certified, 20 years, 1 day install. Check if you qualify for $0 down roofing. Another one, get a high quality roof with us and without us, which you saw on the lender. Remember what I showed you? Now you can see what I showed you in terms of perceived value, what you are using right now in terms of perceived value. Because one thing that you need to understand, that the first point of contact with your stuff is your creative. No matter more amazing your lender looks like, but if your first point of contact is not good, how you think they will come on the lender? You will still
Yeah.
losing too much money on the ads.
Mm.